Hello everyone, my full name is Tolebi. I'm 21 years old and right now I'm a third year student of SDU University. Today we celebrate the 118th birthday of Abay Qunanbaiuly, and he is the great Kazakh poet, philosopher and educator. His words of wisdom still speak to our hearts. We know that there are 45, and let me read to you his third word. There are three things that define a person: strong will, dry mind, and a kind heart. My child, if you want to be a true human being, hold on to all three equally. Then you will be who someone people can look up to. None of this is more important than the other. But why? All three are gifts from God to humankind. Without will, one cannot control anger. Without reason, one cannot guide the will. And without a warm heart, there is no humanity. These words from over a century ago still guide us today, and I just want to say that read Abai, reflect with Abai, and just recommend to others and show our culture with Abai. Thank you for your attention.